This week, I spoke to a company that's one of those examples of how interesting things can get when you bring two very different fields together. On the one hand, you've got a professor of architecture, and on the other, a textiles expert. Now, the two of them have worked out together a patented method of combining the concrete, which is hard, cold, structural, with the textiles that are warm, soft, beautiful, and together they get this unique surface that you really have to touch to understand.
Our product is totally integral, so the textiles and the concrete completely work together, and there are some amazing companies that are doing printed concrete or shuttered concrete, and to look at them from a distance, they've got pattern, they can have colour, they can have all of those different things, but it is still that one material, whereas the difference between us is it is two materials. So, and it is really only until you start to when you actually come up and touch it, that you do completely get the feeling of that difference. And if I had £1 for every time somebody said, "Wow, I completely get this now," I think I'd have probably made more money than we might do from selling it, because it is about getting that tactility across.
Having just landed substantial funding, Tactility Factory is now in a period of growth and reaching out into global markets.
It's a big upscaling operation from us. We are going to have somebody on board full time, and our market we sort of perceive as probably being London initially, and Dubai and the Emirates is sort of very, very keen to use our product. The job that we're currently working on is 6 large panels, 2 meters 50 by 1 meter 25, for a client in Dubai, and they have really fallen in love with the linen and the stitch process. So these are very, very bespoke, time-consuming panels. We're on panel number 4, and we have got 2 left to do, and so far so good. Their strapline is, we want to be the first to use it in our country, so that's not a bad place to be.